Delta X-ray, uniform Yankee to Victor Mike from Ukraine.
Mike 0, Japan Charlie Foxtrot.
Mexico 0, Japan Charlie Foxtrot. You're like locally station. Your 10 dB over is 9. It's very excellent modulation. You're 5 and 9 plus 10. My name is Victor. I am operator from village near Oman. Uniform Mike, American, Norway. Mike 0, Japan Charlie Florida. Good.
Yeah, thank you, Victor. And I believe this is our second contact, and very pleased to hear you still safe and well there in the Ukraine. I'm just calling you today, Victor, on a radio that I repaired at the weekend. It's the Tango Sierra 940 Sierra by Kenwood. When you were talking to the last person, you were 5 and 9 plus 20, but with QSB now, you've dropped down to about 5 and 7, and it's slightly up and down, but just using a 5/8 wave vertical antenna. And as I say, just repaired this radio at the weekend and just testing it today. So very pleased to make your contact. And back to you. Uniform Yankee 2, Victor Mike. This is Mike 0, Juliet Charlie Foxtrot.
What's your name?
The name is Mark, Mike Alpha Romeo Kilo. I'm just 20 kilometres southeast of the City of London, Victor. Back to you.
Okay, fine copy, dear Mark. Thank you very much for the opportunity to service me of London. Your signal excellent. Your signal excellent and clear. I can your radio. I am using Kenwood TS-940S. TS-940, TS-940, TS-950 Sierra Delta X-ray. I can your radio also. Very good quality radio. What is problem? You're a pure radio. What is problems you have? Over?
Yeah, QSL. The problem was the dry solder joints on the on this processor board and also the phase lock loop board. So I've just moved some plugs around, plugging in and out. It really needs to be taken further apart and everything hit with the soldering iron to make it all flow again. But I've got it working. It's not my radio. I've got it working for someone else, so I'll pass it back to them, and then if they want further work I can do it. But my priority, Victor, was to actually get it working, not to go very deep into the radio. But it's a fine old radio. Like you, I like my Kenwoods. I think last time I spoke to you I was using my Tango Sierra 830 Sierra, which I'd not long repaired as well. So it looks like we both like old Kenwoods, and that's super fine, Victor. Back to you.
We talked of this thematic yesterday. You're using the A30, very good quality. You're maestro, my friend. And after you repair this radio, working many time long. 73, my friend. All the very best, Mark. I am going to your team. If you like, I relay my frequency to you. Over.
Oh, thank you for that, Victor. Now, I think what I'll do for a short while, Victor, is I'll just spin this dial over the bands and maybe talk to people on other bands as well. I'm doing a quick video for the person that owns the radio, so they can see what the what it's performing like. But yeah, your signal dropping to about 5 and 5, so anything from plus 20 down to 5 and 5. But the audio quality is very good, and it looks like your antenna's working well. Victor, I wish you a very best 73, and hopefully everything will be good in 2025 for you and your countrymen. Take care, enjoy the holiday, and I look forward to our next contact. Maybe on one of my other old radios, who knows. Take care, good luck, and thank you for the offer of the frequency. M0JCF now clear. Cheers.
Okay, Mark. Thank you very much for the opportunity. to talk with you. It's very interesting thematic for me because I am a repairman also. It's everybody from Ukraine sent to me radio. But my age not so young. My age is 71. This about 10 years before I am a repairman in radio. My hand is not trimmer. I get this time I have a little bit trimmer in my hand. Okay, thank you very much, Mark. 73, God bless to you too, and happy Christmas, happy New Year for you, for your family. It's a very interesting situation. I have today about 40 contact with UK, and everybody say my signal is QSB, but I have not QSB. I am receiving any more station from United Kingdom. It's very, very good quality and very, very strong. You're not QSB. 10 dB over is 9 indeed. Over.
Yeah, QSL. Okay, well, yeah, your signal is up and down this side. That's propagation. That's what makes it interesting, Victor. So there is QSB, but you have got a good, strong audio, and even low down, it sounds as loud as when it's up. But I know your signal can be plus 20 here, so nothing wrong your end. It's very good. Take care and good luck, old friend.
CW, what you can operate Charlie Whiskey?
Negative, old friend, negative. No, I operate SSB, I operate FM, and I operate AM, but I don't do CW. I did learn 45 years ago, and I got up to just 4 words per minute, but then I failed the exam, the radio exam, and so I let the CW drop as well, and I only got my license in 2017, and I've never taken up the CW again, so I can't help you there, old friend. Back to you.
Okay, fine, no problem. Would you like checking my signal Fox modulation of FM over?
Can you repeat that? Your modulation actually dropped off very, very slightly. Can you say that again?
Listening quickly my modulation in FM model.
Yeah, we can try FM. I've never tried FM on this radio, so it would be good to try it on FM. I can switch to FM on this frequency if you'd like to try, Victor. Back to you.
Yes, you understand. So far I'm checking my modulation. You're listening my FM signal. I am going to FM. I am United Yankee 2 Victor Mike. Can you receive me? Over.
Yeah, United Yankee 2 Victor Mike 0 Juliet Charlie Foxtrot, returning on FM at 75 watts. 75 watts, and I'll give you your report on your next over, Victor. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, your 20 dB over is 9, and too much better. You signal too much more of SSB. It's too much better modulation. I am using 200 whiskey, Roger?
Yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. 75 whiskies this side, and you're about 5 and 8, 5 and 9 with FM. A good steady signal. I am hearing, though, other stations around us, because obviously we're using a very wideband signal now. Back to you.
Roger, come back to SSB.
Yeah, Uniform Yankee 2 Victor Mike 0 Juliet Charlie Foxtrot, back on SSB.
Okay, fine copy. Everybody say SSB is much better of FM. I think no. I think this is not correctly. FM small frequency window FM modulation is much better over.
Yeah, it was a very good modulation on FM. It was a very, very pleasant to hear. It was a good, crisp signal. Back to you.
Roger, Mike. I am going going QRT. I'm going QRT. My general, my wife calling me and they say, Victor, help me. Victor, help me. 73. Bye-bye.
Yeah, good luck. Go and help your XYL and wish her a Merry Christmas as well. Take care and bye-bye for now. M0JCF now clear.
Sierra Victor 0, Mark. Sierra Victor 0. Sierra Victor 0. Stop Mike Papa Charlie, over.
Okay, Sierra Victor 0, if you're calling me, apologies. I missed the call sign. I wasn't sure what was happening then. Who's calling me? The Sierra Victor 0. Go ahead.
Hi, this is Sierra Victor 0, stroke Mike 0, Mike Papa Charlie. You're 5x9 FM into 3. You're 5x9 FM into 3. You're 5x7 here now, over.
Okay, you're just 5 and 3 to me. So Sierra Victor 0 / Mike 0, Mike Papa Charlie, Mike 0, Juliet Charlie Foxtrot returning. Yeah, on SSB, you're just 5 and 3 to me. I think this radio may well be a little bit off frequency as well. If you can tell me the dial frequency, or first off, give me your name and the rough location in Greece, and if you've got the locator, even better. And we'll take it from there. M0JCF listening.
Yes, okay, Mark. Okay, my name is Mick, anyway, Mike India, Charlie Kilo. The name is Mick, okay? Now, I'm on an island. It's called Edina Island. I give you Echo from 075. I'm not quite sure, okay? But we're hoping
Yeah, no problem. I say peaking 5 and 5, and there is QSB, the same as Ukraine. There's QSB, and you're sort of dropping down on this radio to Santiago 1. Now, I don't know if you heard the conversation I was having with Victor at the beginning. I'm using a Kenwood Tango Sierra 940 Sierra that I repaired at the weekend for somebody, and I'm really just giving it a soak test. I used it on 40 metres and 20 metres at the weekend, but I didn't use it on 10 metres. There was a competition on and it was all very messy, so I didn't use it, and I just thought I'd take the opportunity today to grab some airtime before I give this radio back. I think now I'll be giving it back in the new year, but I'm just looking at the external meter, and depending how loud I am, I'm anywhere between 50 and 75 watts. And the antenna is a 5/8 wave of vertical. So that's the story here. And back to you, Mick.
Yeah, okay, I'm using an ST FT817, Mark. It's the FT817. I had it given to me last week by a friend here in Greece. And the antenna on the back of the motorhome is an Altron 99. So to work you now from here is fantastic. And like I said to you, when you were on IFM, you were devastating around there, Mark, over.
Yeah, no problem. I've got an 817 myself, so I know how well they work. Tell me, are you just running barefoot from the radio? I know you told me the radio, you told me the antenna. Maybe I wasn't listening. Are you running barefoot from the back of the radio? Back to you. Well, that would explain why your signal's sometimes not moving the needle. So effectively, you're Santiago 1 or just below, but you're still readability 5. So absolutely fantastic. I mean, I know we're in the all mode section of the band. So would you like to try a very quick burst of FM just to see if I can give you a report on FM? Back to you.
Yes, of course, I'll go now.
Okay, Sierra Victor 0 / Mike 0, Mike Papa Charlie. This is Mike 0, Juliet Charlie Fox.
0 stroke Mike 0, Mike Papa Charlie.
Yeah, SV0 / M0 MPC, M0 JCF. 5 and 3, but there are stations that are drowning you out because obviously we're quite wideband. We're encroaching on other people. So I'll go back to SSB. Back to you. Yeah, SV0, M0 MPC, M0 JCF. Yeah, I don't know if you heard me on FM, but you was 5 and 3, but with the splatter coming from other stations, they were drowning you out. So back to you.
I'm going to shoot off around some reviews for two over here. It's 20 to 4 now, so I'm going to get some reviews. I'll drop you okay?
Yeah, okay, Mick. Well, you're marginal now. You're sort of 4-1, bordering on a 3-1. I know you're going to go off and get something to eat. Take care, good luck, and happy Christmas to you. And thanks for this opportunity to try this radio on both SSB and FM. Great work, and as I say, nice to hear you on FM 5 and 3 my end. So take care, good luck, and I'll say bye-bye for now. Yeah, okay, this is Mike 0, Juliet, Charlie, Foxtrot, about to QSY, unless anyone would like a quick report. Nothing is heard. M0, JCF is now going to QSY. This frequency is clear for use. The frequency is clear for use.